met Lucy again. She just lost the card in the cash machine. That's Lucia. That's me. See you. Wow, so dark.
Buenos días.
Okay, we're with Didi. She came all the way from Oviedo. She will take me to... ¿Dónde vamos, Didi?
A Grandas de Salime.
See if we find it. And I'm gonna stay there all day waiting for these guys to reach the destination walking.
Adiós. Aquí ya tienes móvil, creo.
Sí.
Aquí ya tienes cobertura.
Okay. Chao.
Chao.
Nos vemos más tarde.
Venga.
Alright, here I am, guys. Yeah, Didi just left me here. And I'm gonna go for a coffee looking for an albergue for the guys as well for tonight. I found a place where to stay, so now I need to wait like 8 hours before the other guys come here, so I need to find some ways to spend my time. So here we go. That's breakfast. Quite big is la tostada. It's bread, toasted bread with butter and jam, and you just get your coffee, but it's quite common here, so that's what I'm having right now. Just left the bar. I've been there for 2 hours, charging the batteries of my geeky stuff, looking for La Casa Sanchez. Apparently it's one of the good ones from the reviews, so let's look for that. And then there's a museum here, there's a iglesia, the church, so we're gonna get around and have a look at this nice little town. So I think I found it. Entrada albergue, Casa Sanchez. So yeah, I just found the owner of the place. Looks nice here, it's really nice. The weather again amazing today so far. I mean, it was raining this morning, and I asked for 5 beds. Gonna be 5 of us tonight hopefully. So they're still cleaning the rooms because basically the people just left to go to the next stop, and yeah, they're gonna let me know soon what's happening, but it looks really nice. Look at what I found here in the albergue. Like they're serious about barbecues here and grills. That's like a meat feast. The albergue I went to, they only have 4 beds, and we are actually 5. So I'm going to the other one where I went this morning to see if they have 5 places so we can stay all together. It's not a big issue, but it's nice to stay with the family. Okay, one little tip, guys. You will have some private albergues where you can actually reserve your room, and then you've got the public, like the Peregrinos albergue, where it's like first come first served, so you can't really book any room. So these guys are one of them, and I can't reserve any. Guys, il camino es un problema. I met Lucy again. She just lost the card in the cash machine. Such a bad luck, man.
El demonio, el demonio. Oh.
El camino del demonio.
Desconectado. Hay que tener una suerte. Oh, se me ha quedado la tarjeta en el cajero.
Si no va ahora, va un poco más tarde, pero es que como está, no sé. Esto para el...
sí, o todo.
Ah, mira, ves, salió, sí.
¿Quieres esto?
Vale.
As I wait for Lucia to sort out the bank, found this nice little park. I'm gonna do some handstand just to keep it up. Maybe some press ups because I'm not doing anything today. Yeah. All right, let's try handstand again.
Oh my god. Big.
That's why they call me Sushi. I'm back. Oh, tengo un regalo.
Oh,
We got this to sweeten the day.
oh gracias.
Wow. Look what I found.
¿No? Oh, peregrino.
We found two pilgrims. This is mine because he wears the hat as I do. Huh?
Camina, amigo mío. Come on.
We keep having problems. So we are too many now. So we don't know what is happening. So we cancelled all the reservations. We're just going to the public albergue. Everyone on his own. So we are here again. Al albergue del Peregrinos.
Hola. No tengo nada relleno.
¿No tienes el nombre ni
No. No voy a rellenar.
Bueno, yo tengo.
Compro los dos.
Para dos, por favor, sí. Okay, Lucia and me, we found a bed.
Aquí.
See?
Aquí.
It's like a prison. Oh no, locked.
Oh my
So
god.
no, aquí.
Oh, que me caigo.
Lucia. Yo. Yeah, we met the guys. Yay! El Claudito. La Piggy.
Hola.
We move to the next room, so we stay with la familia. Tío Indy. ¿Dónde es? ¿Dónde es Tío Indy? Aquí. El tío Claudio. Eccolo. Lucia disappeared. And we found Peter as well. Wow, toda la familia, ¿eh? Completa. Muy bien. Wow. Okay, we're going to this restaurant. Nice and wet. Menú del día, menú del peregrino.
Deserto al forno.
Foto de repollo. This is my new favorite drink, guys. La casera. Yeah? Tío Indy, what soup is it?
Es a traditional pote asturiano.
Tío Indy.
The name is pote.
You know?
Pork, isn't it? Pork. I can't remember the name though, but I think there's pork, there's mushrooms, and there's chips.
That's for two guys. Look at this thing. This is the requesón. It's like a cheese, like a cream, cheese cream with honey. Look at that thing. Yes.
Tell me when.
Yeah, go ahead. We're going towards the museum because I don't think there's anything else to do. So we should be an Asturian museum, so a museum about the local history de las Asturias. Esto es el museo, and the museum está aquí.
Just got a long way back, a whole lot of clickety-clack, couple quid and a half a pack.
Guys, I don't understand this guide. I just see a lot of toilets here.
With a clack, clickety-clack, he walks like Slim Wayne. With a swagger in the back, leather bottom boots and spurs.
These are the saddles for ladies, for the horses. So they used to sit on the side, so they didn't have to open the legs. These are Didi's shoes.
Slim Wayne. With swagger in the back.
This is me forging.
Nice museum. We're gonna find something else to do.
Yeah.
Luckily we have
Quítame el reloj.
It's gonna kill my leg. Apparently he said it's not great. Yes, I feel like new. We'll see how we feel tomorrow. Good night.
Tonight.
See you in tomorrow's episode.
Chorando se foi quem dia só me fez chorar. Chorando se foi quem dia só me fez chorar. Chorando estará ao lembrar de amor que dia não soube cuidar. Chorando estará ao lembrar de amor que dia não.
In the next episode, new members to the family, getting bigger and bigger every day. That's the border between Asturias and Galicia. Woo! Woo! Follow the adventures of my Camino de Santiago on YouTube and Mamo Air. Subscribe now for the video notifications.